Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to know how to get a style like this using the Revlon one step, then keep on watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you never miss my future content where I review makeup products and all the hair tools that I have. That being said, let's get into this review. So here I am with my wet hair in my bun. It's been up there for about 5 hours. So I section off my hair. I typically stay to one side first and then complete that and then move to the other. I put my hair in my mouth, but I had lip gloss on. I hadn't used this tool in a while and just forgot how large the brush head is, and I really had to account for that. I'm so used to the Dyson. But as you can see, I spend a lot of time at the root and go down. The ends are pretty dry, and I go through a few times, but it is very hot. So I'm gonna go through some of the pros as you're sitting here watching me go through it. It's very simple to use this tool, but I try to not do too many passes because I don't want heat damage on my hair. I want to keep it long and healthy. So some of the pros are the price. So the price of this item was 60 Canadian, which is about maybe 45, 50 American. I bought it off of Walmart. You can find it on Amazon, both Canadian and American and worldwide really, and I'll get into that later. So I continue to section off my hair here. The other pro with this is it's really easy to travel with. I did take this to Europe last summer and I had a special converter and I was able to use this tool. Didn't have the same power, but at least I was somewhat able to use it. The third thing I would say that is a pro with this tool is it's so easy to use. I am not coordinated in the sense I can use a blow dryer and a round brush and to do my hair that way. I can do it to someone else, but on myself it's quite difficult. I've read reviews where people talk about they have motor issues and injuries and they find this type of tool so easy to use, and I find that that's fantastic. Another pro is the large brush. I can do my hair faster with this tool than I can with the Dyson because I do a small section and then I'm able to do a larger section in some places depending on how accessible it is on my head. The cons with this tool, it gets very hot. I forgot just how hot it gets. My hair, I couldn't even touch it at some points and had to let it cool down. I can only imagine what kind of damage it's doing to my hair at that point. And sometimes, it is too large. I couldn't get enough tension at the back to get my hair to straighten and to get rid of some of those kinks. It would just grab onto the parts that were tied on top of my head. Again, that could just be me really used to the Dyson. And the last thing I would say is a con with this tool is the noise. It is very loud on the high setting. So please keep that in mind if that is something that is of concern to you. And you'll see with these last few pieces here, I will actually turn it down to the low hot setting because it is just too much heat on my forehead and I really don't want to burn my skin. So overall, I do recommend this tool. It is really a game changer. I am going to do a video on the Hot Tools one-step version because I think that one is just hands down. I use that one the most to give my Dyson a break since that is so expensive. But that being said, I do love the Revlon so much that I went on to Amazon.fr and I bought a European plug version of it. Because I took it last year with me to Europe and I had to use a converter, it wasn't the same power. It kind of worked, but it wasn't the same, and I could tell by the noise and how it was going through. I wasn't worried that I was gonna ruin it, but I didn't feel comfortable using it all the time, and I did want it when I got home. But when I got home, I thought, you know what, why don't I just order one and see if it comes in European plug? I went to Amazon, like I tried the European sites, and I found a seller on the France Amazon site, and they even confirmed with me that they were sure, like, are you sure you want this to Canada? And I'm like, yes, I do. So now I know anytime I go to Europe, I'm gonna have straight hair. And I have very frizzy hair. Anytime it goes like over 25 degrees, I have to wear my hair up and it has to be out of my face. But anyways, so I do love this tool. I have 2 of them. I am good for any country I choose to go to. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and to ring that bell. That makes such a difference. I hope you and your families are doing well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!